Hello student, Miss Rosita again. So this is our last equation to graph. And I will always emphasize to graph a line, you need a point and a slope or 2 points. Okay? So this is the last form of equation. It is called slope-intercept form of equation. Let us identify the parts. We have M, which stands for the slope. B stands for the y-intercept. So, because I have the slope and I have the y-intercept here, that's the reason why this form is called slope-intercept form. I repeat, slope-intercept form. Okay, so let us graph y equal negative 4x plus 1. So this is the slope, the y-intercept. We know this is the slope-intercept form. And also, you recognize that the equation is slope-intercept form if it is y equal. Y is by itself at the left side of the equation. Okay? So let us begin. We said m is negative 4. And then when we graph, we need to make the slope a fraction. So since this is an integer, the denominator will be 1. Now we said that the slope m is also the movement. So we will write the movement or the direction. This will be go down 4 because that is negative. And the denominator is to the right 1 because this is rise over run. Rise is going up if it is positive. If it is negative, going down. Let us put a direction here. And then 1 is run to the right. Now, our B, which is the y-intercept, is 1. And we will write the coordinate of the y-intercept. So, let us go back here. When we identify the by-intercept, we know that the y-intercept is a point whose coordinate is there is a number on the y and 0 is x. Sorry. Again, I repeat. B is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where it crossed the y-axis, and the coordinate of x is always 0 and there is a number on the y. So when I identify that 1 is the y-intercept B, I will write the coordinate of it 0, 1. So now I have a point and a slope. I can graph this equation. So let us always begin on the point 0, 1. And I'm gonna label it. The slope is negative 4, 1. So from my beginning point, I go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Oh, I'm sorry. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right 1 point. If I want to draw the point on this side, I do the opposite direction of down and right. So therefore, I go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left 1. Now, I will connect the points that I graph. Okay. I always put arrow. Okay. And I will label this as y equal negative 4x plus 1. Okay. So what are our key features here? So I'm looking at this line. I look at the key features. The key features are the y-intercept, which is 0, 1. The x-intercept doesn't cross on the good number. It is here. So I would just say that this is the x-intercept, the point where the line crossed the x-axis, and this is also called 0. Okay, and I know that the slope is negative because it's going down, so it is negative 4, and we know that. And the type of slope is negative because it's going down. So this is the last part of our graphing. We graph point slope, we graph standard, and then we graph slope intercept. And whenever you look at the line, student, please pay attention to the key features: the y-intercept, the x-intercept, the type of the slope, positive or negative, and calculate the slope. Okay, so another way of finding the slope, for example, there is a line here. You want to know the slope. You don't know it's negative 4. Look at the point. We go here. Okay, we go use this 2 point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is negative 4 to the right one. Negative 4 to the right one. So our slope is correct. Okay.